Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1012 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. Right there we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Here we have a light switch for the wardrobe area, and there's a power outlet down there. Now it is sort of like an open concept wardrobe area slash walk-in wardrobe, if you will. And right above we have extra pillows, we have places to hang. We also have hangers, bathrobes, iron, torchlight, ironing board, and below we have the bedroom slippers, and there we have all the laundry stuff. There we have a place to put luggage with drawers for storage below and even more storage right at the bottom. I believe yep, this one is for the in-room safe. Alright, so this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have a floor to ceiling mirror. Hello. And opposite the mirror we have the entrance to the bathroom. It comes with sliding doors, and to the left as you enter the bathroom we have the bathtub with the bath mat, a towel, a shelf to put your toiletries on, grab handle, the shower head right there. And opposite the bathtub we have towels, the bin, storage areas, drawers, weighing scale. You have the sink right there, bar of soap, body lotion, a mirror, another mirror with lights on either side of it, box of tissues, and there we have towels, cups, and in here we have all the bathroom amenities. We have another mirror right there, hooks. Behind this door is a toilet with toilet rolls, another towel, and behind this door we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. There we have the Balmain body wash, conditioner and shampoo, and two shelves set up right there to put your own toiletries on. Right, so further inside we have a suit hanger right there, a small table to put your items on, and above the table we have a flat screen LG TV, and apparently I now have a Turkish name, which I'm not really bothered, but yeah. It is a twin bedroom, so we have two beds. On the left bedside table we have a drawer below. Here we have the TV remote, below menu we have a power outlet, the climate control panel, and the various light switches for the room. And speaking of lights, we have a light right above the bedside table, a light behind the headboard, And there we have more power outlets, couple of mirrors, and a couple of bottles of water, coffee machine, the coffee pods, sugar and stuff, tea bags. Below we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. All behind the left door, we have glasses and mugs. More glasses and storage. More storage below, together with the kettle. Okay, so further inside the room, on the right bedside table, we have storage, a light, another power outlet, and more light switches. There we have a stool with an armchair, a table, and a standing light. Here we have the desk area with the desk chair, desk light. Here we have all the power outlets. We also have a HDMI port and a USB-A port, in-room telephone, writing materials, and we have drawers below. Another drawer right there, and storage below. Right, so as for the view out, it's basically the buildings within the hotel's vicinity. That's a condominium complex. And we can see the hotel's pool below. You can also see the road that's next to the hotel, together with all the buildings in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1012 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.